Let's do what we do without surrender. And let's do what we do without surrender.
It's been a while. So anyways, in today's video, or tonight's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to make an FX server, FiveM server. So you can just get on it, test out your development skills, do all that good stuff, you know. So yeah, it's pretty basic. It's not that hard at all. You just need to do a couple things and you're pretty much done. So let's get right into the video now, shall we? Alright. So first you're gonna want to go to you want to go to Google Chrome, FiveM documentation. You need to get the proper documentation for the FX server setup. I will leave that the link down. I'll leave the link down in the description below. You can just click on it, then it'll bring you directly to this page. So any which way, it says setting up a server, a step-by-step guide on setting up an FX server, running an FX server. FX server is the name of a current Citizen FX server version. This page shows you how to run it. Having trouble running your server? Visit server issues, use this Discord, FX server support channel, or create a topic in the server discussion subcategory on the forum. Right, so this is Windows version. That's what we're gonna be doing today. This is Linux version. I'm not gonna be doing this one. We're gonna be doing Windows 2. So anyways, it says prerequisite. I can't pronounce that. I'm sorry. My pronunciation is pretty bad. Anyways, number one, this is what you have to get before you're setting up all your it's what you have to get before you set up all the installation, build and whatnot. So first, you want to get a Visual C++, Red Istru. I can't say that word either. I'm so sorry. 2019 or new. Anyways, just click on this. You'll download it, right? Yeah. Okay, you're gonna download it. I'm just gonna press prepare. Yes. Okay, so it will say install. You're gonna want to install it, and it might ask you to restart your PC too. And if it does, you're gonna have to restart your PC, and then, as you can see, restart. So since I already have it installed, I'm not gonna do that. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a new directory. For example, the FX server. So basically, what it's saying is, just go on your desktop or your C drive, D drive, I don't really care. Go anywhere and make a new folder. Just call it server or something, okay? Okay, so this is already thing, I guess. I don't know why. Anyways, just name it like whatever. Alright. Now what you're going to do, number 2, download the latest master branch build for Windows from the artifact server. Click on this. Latest recommended. Get the latest. Open it up, and in here you're just gonna have all these files and whatnot. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna go to your little folder that you made, and all you're gonna do is just drag and drop all these files in the directory of the folder that you just recently made, right? So now that you're done with that, you can just close out of this and minimize this for right now. And you're just gonna go back right here. Number 3, extract the build into the directory previously created. 3b, use any archive sources. So that's what we just did. We just extracted it into our folder. Number 4, clone CFX server data. Any new folder outside of your server binaries folder. For example, the FX server data. So what it's saying here is you're gonna click on this. Clone and downloads up. You're gonna open this. Right, so now once you have it open, you're gonna go back to your this thing. Right. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna drag and drop into your directory. That's all that it is. Now you can close out of this, minimize this for right now. Press this back arrow, and now number 5. Make a server.cfg file in your server data folder. Copy it. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. This is what number 5 is saying to do. So basically, you're just gonna go into test, FX server. Okay, so before we get into all this, go to view and make sure you have file name extensions and hidden items checked. That's all you need checked, okay? So now you just want to right click anywhere right here. That's where I did it. Right click and then do new, go to text document, erase all of this and type in server.cfg, enter, and then just press enter again. Now do that. So now what you're gonna do is gonna go back to the documentation, and then you're gonna click on this example server.cfg. So now what you see here, you'll just see a whole bunch of random stuff, obviously. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to server.cfg. I recommend you get Visual Studio Code for this. That's what I use. I use Visual Studio Code. It don't really matter. You can use Notepad if you want to, Notepad++, but I prefer Visual Studio Code. So now what you're gonna do is you're just gonna copy all of this, all of it, until we get down to the bottom right here. Okay, just do Control-C and then do Control-V. Just gonna copy and paste it into here. Okay, so now once you're done with that, you can just go ahead and save this, which is also Control-S if you want to. I'm just gonna make it easier on me. So now once you're done with that, we're gonna go to number 6, generate a license key. Right, so this basically, I'm gonna show you what this is. So if you go here, I'm not gonna show you anything personal because I have my IP on there. I don't want to show you guys that. So if you click on this, you're gonna get a list here. We're just gonna do this little caption. I am brain dead right now. My bad. Alright. It's gonna ask you to sign in. Just press it again, then you're gonna have to do this caption again, whatever it is. Motorcycle. Okay. Give me 1 second. Sorry for the hold up. Alright, now I was gonna ask you to sign in. Okay, I'm just gonna sign in with my Google account real quick, so we don't do anything. Alright, now we're here. Okay, so I'm gonna have these blocked out because I have my I have my IP address in here, so I'm just gonna have these blocked out for right now. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go up to register, press on that. For the label, you can just type in anything, it doesn't really matter. Right, does not really matter what it is. Server IP address, do I want server IP address is 127.0.0.1. Pick a type. It's gonna be home hosted. Captcha, and then just generate. So now once you have that, you're gonna let this load. Alrighty, so you have 2. I don't know which one is what. Okay, so now you have your test server, right? Perfect. Alright, so now you're gonna grab the key. Right? You're gonna grab the key right here. You're just gonna copy this, Control-C. Go back to your server.cfg, just double click on it. Go all the way down to SV underscore license key, and where it says change me, just overline this and then do Control-V. And now, okay, that's too much spaces. We're gonna put 1 space. Okay, only 1 space, and then you can just go save or Control-C. Now we're exit out of this. So now we get into the hard part, right? Okay. Hopefully I can. Here we go. Let's see. Alright. Okay, perfect. Alright, so yep, as you can see, it's a license key and your okay. So set the license key in your server.cfg using SV underscore license key. You don't need the quotes. I mean, I don't use the quotes. It doesn't really matter. And now number 8, run the server, save data master folder, example, and plain Windows command. So what it's saying is you're gonna make a new thing right here, right? You're gonna do new text document and name it server start dot bat. Enter again, And now you can do this, edit, and now you're here. So now that we're here, we can copy and paste this. Right? So now once you're done with that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back in here, go up to server.cfg, this, Control C, and then I'm probably gonna explain that well. So once you have it pasted in your server start.bat file, you're gonna go up to your CFX server data master, click on it, and then right here, this little box thing, you're gonna click to the right side of it, and you're just gonna copy that. What you're gonna do here is just gonna replace this, right? I know it's kind of confusing, but okay. So now once you're done with that, you're just gonna do the same thing here. Alright, so now just do fx server.f. Okay, here. Alright, now you're gonna want to have the. I think we can take this fx server out. So you're gonna want to have your plus ex. So the plus exec server.cfg you're gonna need, obviously. So now you can just do file, save, and for some reason my PC does not want to work that much. So as you can see when I click on it, it does not want to work. But I'm gonna give you another example, or another example server. So basically, once it is all completed, now that is how you do it. My PC is not wanting to do it correctly today. So now once it is all finished up and whatnot, just run server.bat. As you can see, this is my other FX server that did want to work. So you're just gonna click on it twice, and it should bring up this. Okay, and now, okay, this is just a whole bunch of resources. This does not come with it. Okay, this does not come with the server. You have to add that in. This is just one of my test servers. So now that it started up, you'll see this thing, the green, red, whatnot. Yep. So now you can just load into your server. By doing that, you can go into FiveM, go to settings, turn on localhost, and press localhost, or you can go to direct connect and type in the IP 127.0.0.1. So that's basically all. Next video, I will be showing you guys how to add resources and get a little bit of development in your server, so it actually looks nice and you actually have some stuff to work with. So I hope you guys enjoyed your video, my video, sorry. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Yeah, that's basically it. Now, you guys have a nice night, day, afternoon, whatever. Okay, you guys have a nice rest of your day, okay? Have a nice one. See ya.